How to enable the accessibility menu shortcut or just accessibility shortcut toggles from the navigation bar section or using the volume buttons to access this right here. So I'm basically talking about having this guy here, and when you tap on it, you can get access to these shortcuts. This is the S24 Ultra. Let's get started. To enable this here, you'll use the quick panel access and go to the settings, and from within the main settings of your Samsung phone, you'll want to go down to the part that says accessibility. Okay, so you'll look for that, this right here. And once in this section here now, you will want to go to the advanced settings. As you're here now, you're going to see the accessibility button. Okay, so one, you can go here, and in order to activate it, you'll need to select an action. And basically the action is what's going to show up when you have that enabled, okay? And you'll need to select at least one for it to show, okay? So you can have the accessibility menu if you want that. Notice how that appear here already. And then you can choose some of these here, and you can just put how much you want, but just, you don't want it to be that cluttery, right? If that's the right word to use, okay? So when I tap here now, I'll get this set of options here, okay? Now, for some of us, we don't want this here. We want maybe the floating one, which is the one on the side here. And notice when I select that floating option here, I can have these here, and then I can also have the size of them, and then fade when not in use, okay? Now, if you are using the navigation gestures, not the buttons here, you'll back out of here, make sure you're in this view section right here, and then you'll see side and volume up buttons, okay? So you can set these to access these instead, okay? But then you'll just have to come back and remove these here from the navigation buttons instead, and then have them selected with that set. So for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and uncheck all of these here so you can see what I'm talking about, okay? All right, so I'll back out of here now. I'll come out of here, and then I'll come here now, and then I'll select an option here, okay, just to show you. And then of course with the side and volume up button, and I'm going to use it. And then whenever I do that, you'll see the shortcuts show up now, okay? And that's going to happen as accessing the advanced settings accessibility menu shortcut. Okay, that's going to access those here. Okay, so you can come back here now and add some more if you want to, or remove, or whatever it is that you want to do. And of course, if you want to disable it for the side and volume up button, just go ahead and uncheck them, and then it will be set as none. Okay, and you can come back and change these at any given time, like and sub.